Hi everyone. So today in this short tutorial of WordPress, we're going to show you how you can add a very interesting feature to your blog posts, and that is called reading progress bar. So for that, we have to add a new WordPress plugin. So we'll go to the plugin area and click on add new, and we have to look for a plugin. It's taking a little bit of a time. So here you go. So here in the plugin section, we have to search for a plugin called reading progress bar. So here you can use this one or this one, anyone will do. So let us say to install the first one, the reading progress bar. So you have to click on installed and then click activate. And once you activate, the reading progress bar WordPress plugin will be seen in the install plugins area. So we'll check the install plugins area and see if it has appeared or not. So here it is. So now from the general settings, in the general settings, you can see that the reading progress bar has been installed. So I'll click on the reading progress bar and we can choose what can be the colors. So say for example, I choose this color and the background, let's keep it black, and we'll keep the progress bar position on top, and we can choose on which pages I would I would like to appear the progress bar. So I am not choosing the front page because front page can have a lot of menu sections which can actually hide, which can actually hide, go behind the progress bar. So I'll not choose the front page. I'll keep the blog page, the posts and the pages and the media, and I'll save the changes. So once I have done this, I'll go to the WordPress and check if any article has been. So I can load. Here you can see that. So as you can see that, as you keep reading below and below and below, so there on the top there is a progress bar that is being added on top, and this can actually help the readers give a good user experience. So that's it from this tutorial, and we will come up with some new ones. Thank you.